everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Krystal. Today I'll be doing a DIY hair mask tutorial. It's usually really hard to improve your hair condition dramatically unless you cut it off. And hair treatments are oftentimes expensive and some of them are not really effective. So I've been looking to find a really helpful hair mask recipe that you can easily make at home. And I think I found one. So I'm gonna share it with you guys today. It's actually really easy. All you need is a banana and some olive oil. I prepared a big banana because my hair is long, but if you have short hair, you can use half, or if you have a smaller banana, you can just use one small banana. But if your hair is really long like mine, maybe you should use like 2 small bananas. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. And for extra hydration and richness in hair, I'm going to add some olive oil to my banana. If you don't have olive oil, then maybe you can use hair serum, hair oil, or just, other types of hair products that make your hair shinier and more nutritioned. So let's make it. Sorry. Okay, clean enough. Yes, so I will put the banana as it is into the mixer. This banana is way too ripe, but I heard it's more effective to use a ripe banana, so it's actually better for your hair. So good for me. I'm gonna mix some olive oil into it. Oh, 2 tablespoons. This hair mask is not only supposed to help with nutrition and hydration, but it also helps prevent hair loss. So it's also healthy for your scalp if you apply it to your scalp. So it's like a full package. I'm very excited to try it out. Oh, and one more thing. If you're using hair serum or hair oil, please do not put it into the mixer because we use this for food and it gets kind of gross. So blend the banana with a little bit of milk or water and then add hair products to it. Don't put it in here. Yeah. Mine's not blending too well, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Okay, yeah, that water really helped blend this together. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. So you don't want any chunks in here because if you put it on your hair, it's gonna get really greasy and it's gonna be really hard to get rid of the chunks. Here is my banana olive oil smoothie. Don't put too much water in it because then it's gonna be too runny to apply on your hair, so just add a little bit. Here is my banana mask. If you have the hair brush to apply hair masks, use that, but I don't have any right now, so I'm gonna use these gloves instead and apply the mask onto my hair. This kind of feels like dyeing my roots. Yeah, I think I should have put a little less water because it's a little bit runny for my hair, but it's still applyable. I'm gonna focus on my scalp and then slowly work my way down. I smell so much like banana right now. You need to shampoo really well afterwards so that your hair doesn't smell. Do it 2 times or 3 times if necessary, because it's better than smelling like banana. It's really hard to find a good hair treatment, and even if you do find one, you can't use them forever. I run out of my hair masks very quickly because of how much hair I have. So I think this is a good hair remedy for dry, frizzy, damaged, and tangled hair. I ended up having to do 2 rounds of shampoo, and I just kept rinsing until I stopped seeing the black seeds in the banana. My hair's not completely dry, but it's halfway there, and I'm not gonna style my hair because it's almost bedtime. But the first thing I noticed is hydration. I tried so many DIY skincare, like face masks, using natural ingredients, and the most hydrating face mask was banana mask. So I think banana does a really good job with hydration. And so my hair feels really like smooth. Yeah, it really feels like I put a really nice treatment on my hair. It's actually better than most hair treatments I've used in my life. There's probably only 1 or 2 that can beat the hydration. So yes, I'm very impressed. I honestly wasn't sure how this was gonna turn out, but I think I'll do this a lot more often now, maybe like once every week or whenever I feel like my hair needs some like really good care. So I really recommend you guys to try this at home. Trust me, this is gonna be like better than 90% of hair masks or treatments you've used in your life. That was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. And if you're interested in seeing the DIY banana face mask as well, please let me know in the comment. And have a good night. Bye.